The model of this week is a 1960 Chevy C-10 pickup truck. I am the only owner this truck has ever had. It's a plastic model by S.M.P. Let me just show you the profile. The interior is almost viewed, and the glass is intact both all around the cab. Here is the front end. And the other profile. And the rear end, Chevrolet tailgate, cargo bay. This is a perfect model, plastic promo model. It's got a friction motor and how smooth it runs. And I bought this model years ago with my allowance. And again, I'm the only owner of it. Shows the underside. '60 Chevy C-10 pickup truck, model of the week. Thanks for watching.